I'm bored. How about we go into the woods?
I heard this story. There's people being killed in those woods.
Let's go into the deep dark woods where we could get ourselves killed by an Iceman with a chainsaw. It sounds weird, don't it?
We're heroes! Let's run into the deep dark woods! Pip's got a piece of wood in her. She's alright. Wait, run.
Yeah, we're gonna kick some ass, boy. I can't wait to kill some monsters.
Okay. 2 steps, yeah?
We're here.
Help me, please, someone!
Look, now I can hear something.
We're in the woods. Let's just go home.
No, I want to get some action.
It's a puppy! It's a dog!
Oh, what the?
Jake, be careful! No! Don't get her close to me! Kill her dog! Killer dog! Killer dog! It's a killer! Run! Killer dog! Killer dog! It's chasing! Their killer dog has finished them. The end. Oh, that was nice.